Hi, my name is Nathalie Vizina, Product Manager for Environmental, Welding and MRO Solution. Welcome to the Walter Academy. Today, I will show you how to properly install and use E-WELD nozzle with the unique applicator. This is a new addition to the E-WELD family, which provides spatter protection, 2 welding nozzles for up to 8 hours. So as you can see, assembling and using E-WELD nozzle with the unique applicator is easy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. To watch more Walter video, visit our YouTube channel, The Walter Network, or for more information, visit our website at walter.com. Thank you.